So from the video title, I'm going to walk you through all you need to know, right? So ensure you subscribe and turn on notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Roblox, right? This is our Roblox, and what you're going to do if you don't want people to know you're active, right? Like this, basically an educational content. Click on your settings, right? Click on this. Once I've clicked on it, wait for it to open. And once it has opened up, the first thing you're going to click on right now is this privacy and contents, right? Click on it. Right here you can see visibility and private servers. Click on it. You can see the private servers, you can see the visibility. Click on the visibility. Show current experience, right? So read through this. So for this video, if you want to make this possible, you're going to click on this no one, right? No one. So current experience has been updated. So cause like this basically an educational video, so I don't think there's a need for me to turn it on, right? So this is basically how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, let me know below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.